go to your browser.
You'll hear everyone talking
And I just have to go to my thing. It's called Button Designer. And it takes you to this page. And then you just click the login or sign up. It's free. And you type in your login or you sign up here. I'm already signed up, so I'm just gonna type in my, and you click login after you put your thing. And I already made my button, so I go to all my buttons. And then I already have my buttons made, 2.5. So I just go on this. And these are my buttons. And then I click print. And they're in color. Make sure they're in color. Pick how many copies you want. I only want one, so I print and then I go get it. First, you cut the thing into strips, eh? Move that. Okay. There you go, eh? And then, no, you gotta cut the sides a little more.
No, won't catch.
You put it in the cutter, line the circle up with the circle.
Then you use hammer. Oh, don't do it that way, kids.
Yeah, don't do that because Austin's.
Austin sped. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right.
So we're gonna try again.
It's gay part anyway. It's okay. It's okay.
This is video. This is audio.
Yeah, we can put new audio on.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
Installed.
And then you pop it out like that.
If you can get it out though, that's the only tricky part.
There you go. And then you have a paper button. So you have your paper buttons made.
No, you don't.
Circles. Then you just, I have the 25-inch button maker. I have all my 25-inch stuff.
So it's 2.5.
2.5 inch. I mean, sorry. And you just place a button in there. Put the paper button over it. And take your translucent 25. 2.5, I mean. And there. And you put it on the back of the button. And see where the squiggly is upside down? You put it upside down from the...
What to say?
So you do the paper button first. Make sure it's upside down from the paper. Shove it down. Shove it down completely. Bring it up. And you have a button.